I wanted to get this lamp for a while now, and they had it at my local supplier. I do have a lamp that it's been working, but it's not really a professional lamp, and I'm afraid I'm gonna have a client come and for some reason it's not gonna turn on. I decided on this one. I do have the drill, so I said, well, you know, I might as well get the same thing, and I trust Kiara Sky products, so I got it. So we're gonna unbox it and open it up. And this is the Beyond Pro. It's rechargeable and it's cordless. So tab you pull. And that's really cute. It says, let's shine. And this is rechargeable LED lamp volume 2. Cute little heart. And I really didn't mind whichever color. I know they have a pink one, this white one. They have a, like a, I don't know what this would be, like a baby blue. That's what my drill is. And I think a light purple. And I think they had a limited time unicorn one. I don't think they sell those all the time. I think that was just a limited time. All right. Oh, let's see. I don't want to break anything. There you go. It's kind of heavy. And then in the back here has your on button, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then 90 low heat mode. And then the on and off button, and then that's where the plug goes in. I believe this is gonna be the cord. There we go. And everything is packaged really nice. Oh, okay, here we go. So you would plug that in here. That, and then you would plug this back in here. It comes with the warranty card and then a user manual, how to charge it, all that stuff that you can go. The next part is going to be the bottom plate. I'm trying to see on how to put it on. Oh, okay, it has little slots in here. Sissy, call Dad, honey. Okay. This is how you do it. Never mind, honey, I got it. There we go. I always keep my boxes when I buy things like this. Just plug this up and see how it looks. Turn it on in the back. It lights up. Okay. So it has a smart mode back here. So it's saying that the battery's at 15%, I believe. That's what the 15 means. And then there's 15 seconds. There's 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then low. So I'm gonna charge it all the way, and then once it's charged, you can just unplug it and move it wherever you need it for the client. And then while I was over there, I picked up a couple of different things that I needed. And this one, I always like to pick up a gel while I'm there. And this one is number 646, Shy Blush. Kind of roll it, that's what they want you to do with gel. And there's a color. I'm just gonna put it right here so I don't have a swatch on me right now, but that way you can see the color. So it's a nice pink. It's almost like a muted pink. And then this one's Tie the Knot. But yeah, it's just like a milky white. So you can put it over any nude and it gives it that kind of look. And then the next one is a knot polish color. So this one is called Beam Me Up, number 4. So these ones are all like that shimmer. And as I'm putting it on, I can like literally feel the glitter. So it's very coarse. It's like a champagne gold. It's very pretty. And then I've never tried the ombre gel by Knot Polish. I want to try that out. And then while I got that, I have some unicorn chrome number 1. So I'm gonna see how this one is. And then I got some chrome bond. So we'll see how that works. And then I picked up 2 colors that I've seen. I usually use Knot Polish and Young Needles and Valentino, but I seen these two colors and they're really bright, so I had to get them. This one's called Shocking Pink. It's really bright. Next one I got is, this one's called Screamin' Green. And that's really bright as well. I did get a new bit as also while I was there. This is a kind of bit I use for like cuticle work, and it's the 5-in-1 fine carbide bit. But the main item that I got was the Kiara Sky, and yeah, so, and it's, again, it's really, really pretty. It's the white one, and then inside it has all the lights. So, and that's it. That's all for this video.